Hi friends, this is Gautam. In this video tutorial, I am going to discuss about how to configure EBGP, External Border Gateway Protocol, and also how to advertise the routes to the BGP. So using this topology, I am going to teach you. So this is basic concept. So here I am using small topology. I'm using two routers R1 R2. So R1 to R2, this point-to-point network, I'm using 192.168.100.0/24 network, and R1 router I'm using loopback IP as 172.16.10.1/24 network, and R2 I'm creating one loopback IP, so 172.16.20.1/24 network. Okay, so in R1 the AS number is I'm using as 1, and R2 I'm using as AS number 2. Okay, so the IP address as per the diagram I configured already. So here we can see R1, so 192.168.100.1, and loopback is 172.16.10.1. Same as R2 also 192.168.100.2 and loopback 172.20.1. Okay, we can configure EBGP. So first of all we have to go to the global mode, so config T. So now syntax for configuring BGP protocol is router space BGP space autonomous system number. So for R1 I'm using AS number as 1, so here I have to give 1. Next, enter. So router is a keyword and BGP is a keyword, then AS number, what AS number you decided for that network, so you can use that AS number. So for R1 network I'm using AS number as 1. Okay, so next one we have to give neighbor. So in IGP protocol like OSP of EHRP, the neighbor relationship will be formed dynamically. So but in BGP we have to manually enable the neighbor relationship between two routers. So here I am giving neighbor is a keyword. Next, the neighbor IP. So here the neighbor IP point-to-point network is 192.168.100.2. That is an R2 interface IP. So here I have to give 192.168.100.2, and subnet mask is 255.250. Sorry. So neighbor is a keyword, then you have to give neighbor IP, then you have to give remote hyphen AS number. So this one also keyword. So the remote hyphen AS number indicates what autonomous system number is using for R2 router. So in R2 router I am using autonomous system number as 2. So here you have to give 2, enter. So same configuration we have to give to R2 router also. So just go to global mode, then creating the BGP protocol, enabling the BGP protocol. So you have to go to router is a keyword, next one BGP, next one BGP autonomous system number. So R2 router I am using AS number as 2. So here you have to give 2, enter. So now we have to give neighbor statement. So neighbor is a keyword and R2 connecting towards R1. So R1 IP is 168.100.1. So here you have to give 192.168.100.1 space remote AS number. So remote AS number indicates R1 router what AS number I am using, 1. So here you have to give 1, enter. So this is the basic configuration for external border gateway protocol. So here we can see as soon as possible, once I configured, here I am getting BGP neighbor up. So that means the BGP neighbor relationship got established. But in IGP protocol, integrated gateway protocol like RIP, OSP of EHRP, that neighbor relationship will be formed automatically. But in BGP we have to configure manually. Okay, so next one we have to advertise the route. So in R1 direct connected network is 172.16.10.1. So this is a loopback network. So this network I am going to advertise. So then only R2 router can learn this network. So the syntax for advertising this network is you have to give network. Network is a keyword. Next one you have to give the IP, network ID 172.16.10.0. And one more thing in BGP, so if you are advertising any LAN network, you have to give exact subnet mask, then only it will be advertised to the neighboring router. Otherwise in BGP it won't advertise. So in LAN network, what IP and subnet mask you configure, so based upon that you have to give exact value, otherwise it won't advertise. It will check the routing table. For an example, loopback is a direct connected network, so IP route. So here we can see 172.16.10.0/24 network. So in case if I'm giving /16 means it will check the routing table. If there is no entry means it won't advertise in the BGP. So you have to give exact subnet mask. So network 172.16.10.0 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So we have to give net mask keyword, then afterwards we have to give this subnet mask. So we have to give subnet mask. So you have to give mask, then you have to give the subnet mask 255.255.255.0 exit. Okay, so we have to configure R2 also. So network, so the network ID is 172.16.20.0 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Enter, exit. Okay, so now external border gateway protocol is configured, then we have to advertise the routes also. We can verify. So first of all we have to give show IP BGP summary. So using this command we have to check the BGP neighboring table. So here our neighbor is 192.168.100.1. so the neighbor AS number is 1. So here we can see up and down. So here up, so once the BGP is up, so that's why here it's showing 0.00.03:17. So this means, so the neighbor relationship got up past 3 minutes. Likewise the meaning and state and prefix indicates how many network we can learn from the R1 router. So from the R1 router I can learn one network, because in R1 router we created only one loopback 172.16.10.0 network. Okay, so next one we have to give show IP BGP. So using this command we have to check the BGP database. So here 172.16.10.0/24 network is learned from R1 router. So the next hop IP is R1 IP. So here we can see path. So we can learn from AS number 1. So that's why here mentioned 1. So next network 172.16.20.0/24 is our direct connected network. So that's why here next hop is 000. So now we can check it in routing table. Show IP route. So here we can see B. So we can learn this network from R1 router. So here the AD value is 20. So the AD value is 20 means we can learn this network through EBGP, external border gateway protocol. So here B indicates capital letter B, border gateway protocol. So same thing we have to verify in R1 router also. Show IP BGP summary. So here we can see the neighbor IP is R2 IP and R2 autonomous system number is 2. So the interface is getting up, then the state is 1 means we can learn one network from R2 router. So next one, show IP BGP. Show IP BGP, here we can see 172.16.20.0/24 and next hop is R2 IP and Here path indicates the AIS number for R2 router. So here star asterisk means is valid route and greater than means is best path. So next one, routing table, we have to check show IP route. So here we can see B. So we can learn this network from R2 router. So here 20 indicates the external administrative distance value for BGP. Okay friends, so I hope you can understand the concept how to configure external border gateway protocol and also how to advertise the network, our LAN network, to the BGP. The only thing is, when you are advertising LAN network in BGP, you should give exact subnet mask, then only it will advertise to the neighboring router. Because whenever we are giving network and we have to give the network ID and mask, so it will check the routing table show IP route. So in routing table that entry is not there means it won't advertise to the BGP. So you should remember these things. Okay friends, thank you for watching my video. So please subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you.